So, welcome to Mud 5 Music for Unity in Difference. Mud 5 has got little speciality because we have got 5 singers, 5 styles, 5 languages, and it is Mud 5. Good. So, who want to go first? Rajesh or Amit?
Yeah,
Rajesh ji,
you can
yeah.
start today.
Start
Okay.
prayer. Rajesh ji.
Let me start.
Yeah.
One second. Yeah. This is a Malayalam language. The song is in Malayalam language. Malayalam in Kerala. So it's a Lord Krishna song. So I think I will just sing the song first, then I can meaning of the song. So I can even pause it there in the lyrics and all that. So let me 1 second. Let me start. Okay, one second. Let me just pause that.
I'll post. I'm posting. Don't worry.
Okay. Right, Shashi.
It's done.
Yeah. So songs it will be like this. ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിൻ ദിവ്യരൂപം ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിൻ ദിവ്യരൂപം ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യതിൻ മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പാ നിൻ ദിവ്യരൂപം.
Beautiful.
All understood? How is it?
It was beautiful. It was beautiful, Rajesh.
It's one of the melodious songs of Mr. K.J. Yesudas. A beautiful Lord Krishna song. And I think, shall we continue? Or you want to know the lyrics, meanings?
Your teach.
Yeah.
You are the master and the teacher.
Maybe we can all learn the first opening lines.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, it's a lyrics are there already, so you can, we can sing like that. Yeah. So you can follow me now. ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ.
Do you have the lyrics displayed somewhere?
Lyrics is there in the chat box.
Yeah.
And Rajesh ji, the best thing is to explain the lyrics once.
Okay, right.
So see, the bhava comes to Amit only when he knows the meaning.
Yeah.
Oru neram means only once, at least once.
Yeah.
Engilum means at least once. Kanade, without seeing.
Yeah.
Oru neramengilum kanade vayya. I cannot stay without seeing you at least once. Hey Guruvayurappa. Guruvayurappa is the young child.
Yeah.
Actually,
Young child.
the Krishna has got different styles of different age-wise his temples, and probably Guruvayur is the only one which is a child one, baby.
So that's a famous temple of Kerala.
So every person who is going to him is like a mother going to see the child.
Yeah, exactly.
So it is full of bhava. One look for the child gives you a lot of happiness. So with that bhava is the same song. ഒരു
I see.
നേരമെങ്കിലും വിത്തൗട്ട് സീയിങ് യു വൺസ് ഐ
Yeah.
കനോട്ട്, വിത്തൗട്ട് സീയിങ് യു വൺസ് ഐ കനോട്ട് സ്റ്റേ.
I stay. Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
നിൻ ദിവ്യരൂപം, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫുൾ ഓഫ് ഡിവൈൻ സ്റ്റൈൽ ആൻഡ് പോസ് ആൻഡ് ലുക്ക്. യു ആർ സോ ഡിവൈൻ ആസ് എ സ്മോൾ ചൈൽഡ്, ബിക്കോസ് കൃഷ്ണ ഹാസ് ഡൺ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് മിസ്chief later, but as a young child he has the full divinity in him. ഒരു മാത്ര is one time which you take for your eyelids to go up and down, is that time. That matra, one matra is enough. One closure and open is good enough.
I see.
Right? കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യ. That moment of one eye is going, I want to hear,
Without listening. Yeah.
I cannot stay without listening to you. കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യ നിൻ, what I want to listen, that flute song.
Murali. Yeah. Murali means it's a flute.
Murali means flute.
Actually, yes.
Flute. Yeah.
പൊഴിക്കുക means it's coming out is called falling without effort is called പൊഴിക്കൽ. The last word murali പൊഴിക്കുന്ന means it is not you are pushing it, you are not singing it, it just falls without knowing. That is how his flute is working. Without
Coming out
effort
that-
the flute music comes.
Yeah.
Ganalapam, anyway you know, alapanam means singing, ganam means song. So your song comes effortlessly. So this song is also effortlessly should come. That is the style in which it is flowing.
Okay.
It's a beautiful song.
I think so. We can start then follow.
Yeah.
We can start following
Yes.
it.
Right.
ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും exactly ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും yes കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ yes beautiful ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിൻ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിൻ ദിവ്യരൂപം wonderful yeah ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യ നിൻ വയ്യ നിൻ മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം
മുരളി
ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യൻ. You can look at the lyrics here. ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യൻ. Okay. ഒരു yes.
We're following you.
Yeah, ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ yes.
ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും
കാണാതെ വയ്യന്റെ.
വെരി ഗുഡ് ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്റെ രൂപം
ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ
ദിവ്യരൂപം ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും
ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും
കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യനിൻ മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം
മുരളി
So anyone can try now? Anyone can try? One person can sing. Amit or anyone?
Yeah, let me.
Try.
I think she was. I was hearing. Was that Aswati? Aswati, you were singing it
Acha, who is singing it? That female voice? Someone?
in female voice.
Ashwati?
Hridya
Anusha,
can try, Anusha can try.
Anybody?
Acha, Anusha can try then.
Okay.
Yeah. Wonderful, yeah.
ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യനിൻ മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം.
Wow, wonderful. Seshanta, wonderful, right? Wonderful, very good. Good voice, yeah.
Hridya,
Amit, you can?
Oh yes, I will try.
Yeah.
Just a minute. ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യന്തെ ഗുരുവായൂരൂപ
Okay. Yeah.
Guruvayurappa. Appa means father.
ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ
നിൻ
ദിവ്യരൂപം.
Yeah.
And then
ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യനിൻ മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം. Very good. Okay. Anyone? It's a very wonderful, it's a beautiful song that is. Anyone?
Just I will try.
Yeah, please.
ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യനിൻ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിൻ ദിവ്യരൂപം ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യനിൻ മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. There's some slight variation, but it's good attempt. Very good attempt. Anyone want to try?
It is a very beautiful composition. It's basically what I hear. It's on Rag Jaijavanti.
Okay.
Very beautiful composition.
Very beautiful. Yeah. Very beautiful composition. Yeah. So anyone want to try?
The lyricist is staying very close to the temple. Chovellur is a place very near to the temple. So Chovellur is the person who wrote this poetry. They all live with a lot of devotion every day.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So last once again we will just try.
All of us can sing together.
Yeah. Last once.
മാത്രമെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യനിൻ
ഒരു നേരമെങ്കിലും കാണാതെ വയ്യൻ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ ഒരു മാത്രയെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കാതെ വയ്യനിൻ മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം മുരളി പൊഴിക്കുന്ന ഗാനാലാപം. Thank you.
Beautiful contribution from Malayalam.
Thank you.
But you know the pathetic situation is KJ Yeshudas singing this, that I want to see you at least once, but he was never allowed inside the temple, Guruvayur temple, because he is a Christian. And
Oh, that's not.
no, but he would have allowed inside if he says, I have faith in you. But he is not ready to declare that he has faith in Guruvayur temple, because Christianity says you should not have faith in anybody else. They won't allow people to declare that I have faith in you. Then he will be dispelled from the church, which he don't want. So he wanted to. So that was not permitted. That's the problem. Otherwise he can enter. Normal people can enter, but he is very famous. Therefore everybody knows that he is a Christian, and he cannot enter openly. That's the only problem. So he generally sings just outside the temple, and most of the melodious, beautiful devotional songs are by Yeshudas.
Yeah.
And he, Amit, for your information, he stays in America all the time.
Oh, really?
He rarely visits India.
I think right now he's in US only.
Everywhere, all the time. He is permanently there.
He's still waiting that once Guruvayurappa will call him to the temple, inside the temple.
Yeah. Now, Amit ji.
Yeah.
I cannot get over with this tuning of this Rag Jajavanti from my head. It's very beautiful.
So you change your song into Gajavanti and sing.
Anyways,
Yeah.
it reminds me of that, Ghulam Ali's ghazal, Dost Ban Ban Kar Bhi Nahi Saath Nibhane Wala. We'll sing it sometimes
Yeah,
some other
sure.
time.
Sure.
Yeah. This is a very classical song. I mean, it's one of the old classics of Kashmiri songs. It was originally sung by Ram Nabi Sufi Saab. He was a blind artist. He never couldn't see, but he was a very famous Kashmiri singer. Sir, do we have the meaning of the lyrics for this for others to follow?
I'm just searching. You have, if you can post it, will be good.
I think it's there in this.
Chanya par tal ragam har आवाज बजना शान पर तल रागम हर आवाज बजना शान पर तल रागम
Shani Paratal.
Yeah, please go ahead, Rajesh ji.
Yeah. Shani Paratal. Shani Paratal. Rayan How do you do that?
Ragam Haratsi. Let me give you the meaning of this. It means it's dedicated to the divinity, the O Divine. I have spent all my life at your doorsteps. Did you not listen to me? Did my voice not reach you? It is a Bhakti Bhav song in which it says, "O Lord, O Divine, I have spent all my life at your doorsteps, just wanting to see your glimpse. Did my voice not reach to you?" That is the literal meaning of these opening two lines.
Oh, okay. Shani Rayam Harasi.
Avaz vatsina. Avaz means voice.
Avaz
Vatsina.
Vazina.
Janya Baratal Ragam Haratsi. Avaz vatsina.
Shani Baratal Rayam Harasi. Avaz
Avaz vatsina.
Avaz Vazina.
Very good, nice. Sahibo lagai jani qadrat se ye mujh mai nuran chon. Sahibo lagai jani qadrat se ye mujh mai nuran chon.
साहिबो लगे शानी
Jani qadrat
साहिबो लगे शानी कुदरसी
ye mujh mai nuran chon means Sahibo means it's a way of addressing the divine, with
Sahib.
respect.
Yeah.
Sahib, mere Sahib.
Okay.
Sahibo lage chani qadratsi means I am dedicating my life to your service, to your to your beauty that you have created in us.
Oh, very good. Yeah.
Since the time I saw your first glimpse, I have become your, disciple. I have given up myself for you. That's what it means. Yeni vushmai nuran chun means since the time I saw your, nur. Nur means light.
Very good. Sahibo lagi, sahibo
lagi, jani qadrat
साहिबो लगी छानी कुदरसी
Yeni vuch mai nuran chon.
कुछ महीनो रात
Sahibo lagi
साहिबो लगी शानी कुदरसी
Yeni vuch mai
nuran
chon. Janya nuruk shalab yatsi.
शानी शानी नूर के
Chum talab.
Yeah.
Chum
Talab,
talab.
that's one. Okay.
Desire. Talab means desire.
चानी नूर के चुम तलब से आवाज
Right, very nice, Rajesh. Chani Nuru Chum Talab Yasi means, hey divine, I have a desire to see your light, to see your brightness within me.
Okay.
Did my plea not reach to you? Did my voice not reach to you? It's questioning Lord, questioning divine. Did my plea not reach to you? I've been here waiting for you. You know, it's kind of that kind of sentiment.
Very.
Cha sahibo lagai jani quadrati ye uch mai nuran cho
साहिबो लगाई चानी कुदरसी इन उच मैनो रुचो
nuran cho
इन उच मैनोरान चो
jani nuruk chum talab yati
चानिक चंतलब श्री आवास वजीमा आवाज आवाज वजीमा आवाज वजीनो.
Very nice. Rajesh, that was nice. I really appreciate this try. I know the words can be a little tricky.
Exactly, yeah. That is what I'm trying. It's coming it properly or not.
But it was coming out very well.
It's very good. Yeah, very good. Music.
Yeah. Anybody else wants to try? Or maybe you can sing with. So we'll have to throw the spotlight on someone.
Yeah. Let it come out. Let it come out.
Yeah.
Chani bartal rayam harse awas vasino.
Let me take a pause here. Can you follow as I sing? So that we can correct you. Chani bartal ragam harse
Chani bartal rayam harse awas vasino.
You have to stretch on avaz. Chani bartal ragam harse avaz vasino.
Chani bartal rayam harse
Chani bartal
rayam harse awas vasino.
Very nice.
Okay.
Excellent. Good try.
Thank you.
Sir, anybody else wants to try? Do you think?
It's a beautiful melody.
Like,
Chani
Yes.
I am Parvati.
Yes. Ragam
Swasino.
Beautiful, beautiful. Excellent. Janya Bharatal Ragam Yeah, this
Chani Kudratsi.
Yeah, that's Sahib Lagi Yeni vuçmay Nilaya. Nuran So this is the punchline of this song. Awaaz Vasino.
What's
Beautiful, beautiful. Awaaz Janya Bharatal
Jani Bharatal
साहिबो लगई जानी जिन्हें उच Janya Bharatal Ragam
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you, Nilaya and Rajesh ji.
Thank you.
It was awesome.
Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful song. Yeah.
Who's next now?
So good enough.
If somebody else, I think they're good. I think they got
Good enough for ours.
आवाज बसीनो
जानी बरतल राय बरसी आस से
आगे बोल गई जानी बरसाती
जानी बरसी
पूरा
ये मुश्किल छो चानियों तलब आवाज बसी
In Awaz, it's very simple. There is no working, there is no complex thing. Awaz
जानी बरतल राय बरसी आवाज बसी
Sare Gama
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Wonderful. Now let Isabel or Nilaya, anybody?
Yeah.
Isabel or Nilaya, who wants to go?
Is Isabel ready?
Isabel
Okay, I
ji
can
ready?
go. And then Isabel wants to go. You.
You. It's an order.
First you. Okay.
First you.
Okay, I go first and then you. Okay, prepare you. So this song is part of a round dance that was brought to earth by Bensa Dono, which is also known as Peter Donov. He's a Bulgarian. He was called the Master of Love last century. And this belonged to 28 movements with sound and movement kind of dance called pan-eurythmy. Pan is universal, pan, universal harmony rhythm. It's like the harmony of the universal rhythm. It's a harmony for universal rhythm that is brought to earth through the human body. So normally what they would do in the times that Peter Beisadono was alive in the springtime in Bulgaria, they would climb the Hila mountains and they would perform the dance with the song together with the violin and instruments like that and with the scent. So this one is number 14 and Misli is the word for thought, and so it's a way of putting the thoughts on the what they call right is more like the right, the connection, the direct connection with the higher. So we got our thoughts in tune with the higher to feed the earth, the environment with love and beauty.
Yes.
So it's not just the words, but the words are connected with the motion.
With action.
So I will do one first, the motion, and then we'll do together. So it goes like this: on the right side, right hand and the diagonal out, and the left hand here. So we go like this: Misli, bravo, Misli, and again, Misli. And then we go for the second part. The second part, we do this, it's like we encircle the earth, the environment, the earth, with all this beautiful energy of beauty, love, compassion, harmony, peace, So, and then we sing like, Sveshteni misli za života ti krepi, Sveshteni misli za života ti krepi. Again, Sveshteni misli za života ti krepi, Sveshteni misli za života ti krepi. And then comes this part, I love this part. This part is called krepi. Krepi is kind of, you can take it as you keep yourself away from things that could harm. We don't let harm come into the earth environment and also into us. This is a protection. Krepi, krepi, krepi. So we do krepi, 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 and then we come back here. Sveshteni misli za života ti krepi, and then again krepi, krepi, krepi. Sveshteni misli za života ti. Some people say that also krepi could symbolize a way of expanding the whole energy into more and more light. I like to use both. It's expanding and protecting at the same time because we need protect. So let's sing and then we can do the dance together if you like. So the words, let's start the first line. Misli, bravo, misli.
Misli,
So let's bravo,
Misli,
Very good, again.
bravo, misli.
Misli, again. Can I hear? Misli, bravo, misli. Again. Misli,
Bravo,
again. One more time.
bravo,
Beautiful. So now I will do the motion and you sing for me, okay? So you start singing for me to do the motion. I need to hear it.
Misli,
Need to hear it. Again.
Let's do one. Okay, let's let one singer at a time sing with the action. Because of the lag, it may not coordinate with Nilya's action. Otherwise, let one singer sing with her.
Yeah, I understand. No, don't worry. It gets beautiful. I like it when it gets chun. I understand what you're saying. Because everybody is at one time on earth. So we are feeding the different parts of earth. You see, that's what happens.
Okay.
So don't worry about that. Okay, just somebody starts and everybody goes. Okay? Now.
Come in.
Very good. Then we go for the second time. Misli za života ti krepi. Come on. Svešteni misli ti krepi. Svešteni misli za života
Misli, bravo.
So, and then now let's do the creepy again. Creepy, just creepy, 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 creepy,
How is the second line?
Na
Misli Prabhu. This is that.
Misli.
Misli.
Oh, wait a minute. Misli Bravo. Misli. And that's the first line. Again. Misli. Hello? Hello? Misli. Misli. Bravo. Misli.
Misli Prabhu.
Misli.
How is the second line? Next line.
The second line, the first line, misli, bravo, misli, 2 times. And then the second part is Isveshteni, 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 Isveshteni. Yes, perfect. Isveshteni, misli,
Misliza.
Isveshteni, misli,
Za.
Misli, za. Shivota. Isveshteni, misli, za. Shivota. Ti, krepi.
Misli.
What's the tune?
Krepi.
Nilaya, can you please sing the second line in tune so that we could?
Yes. So, the second line. It changes. It's different from misli. It goes in a different motion. It goes like Isveshteni misli za shivota ti krepi. 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 Krepi, krepi, krepi. Isveshteni misli za shivota ti krepi. So that's the whole thing. So it goes like misli, bravo, misli.
Now, help me here, Nilaya. I'm trying to connect the first and the second. Just let me know if
Okay,
I'm right
so-
here.
Yes. So sing for me, please.
Yeah. Misli, bravo, misli.
Perfect. Again.
Shrishtheni. Okay, 2 times. Okay.
2 times. Yeah.
Bravo, misli.
Perfect.
Shrishtheni misli za shivotati krepi. Shrishtheni
Isveshteni, isveshteni misli za
Shrishtheni misli za Shrishtheni misli.
It's 4 times.
Oh, it's 4 times.
Krepi, isveshteni misli
za
za shivota ti. Like this, like a train, like that. You put the words and make the melody. Follow the melody. You're doing good. Very good. And then there are two motions. We have three different motions in this song. It's not the same like in Indian song. Now this goes like da, da, da. It's like the thought. It goes different ways. The first wave is more like da, 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 da. Then we move to the second wave. Da, 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 da.
I got it.
And then we go to the third wave. And then we go back to the first again. Okay? Can we try one time?
Yeah, sure.
Together? So,
One.
first motion. 2, 3. Me. Second motion. Yes, that's beautiful. Let's keep going. Come on. Very good. Third motion. Third motion. Back to the second motion. Back to the second. Very good, Isabel. And then we go back. Very good. Does anyone want to try by yourself? Rajesh.
Rajesh,
Yeah, we'll try. Misli Prabhu, Misli Swecheni, Misli Sajyotati Kripi. 2 times?
Crepi.
repeat.
Yeah, actually, it's just time the first 4 times, the second 3 times, the third,
Acha.
and 1 time to finish.
Oh.
Ah,
But you can do 1 time each, just for.
Misli Prabhu, Misli.
Beautiful.
Misli Prabhu, Misli Shveteni Misli Sajyotati Kripi. My tune is something different.
It's a little bit, but I like it. It looks beautiful. You can keep going. That's beautiful.
We are trying to bring some raga inside.
there's a natural tendency.
Yeah, that's a kind. It's a raga
It's a-
style.
it's
It's
a
a raga
Raga
style
style.
Devukaya song. That's beautiful.
It's going to come. It's
I
called
like it.
fusion. So it's
I
called
hope the
fusion.
master might like too.
Sometimes fusion is good to hear.
Yeah. It's good, yeah. Shveteni misli sajivotati kripi. Misli Prabhu, misli.
That's
But you need to put the crepi when you finish the
Crepi.
second line. The crepi,
Crepi.
crepi. It is
Crepi.
important to get into. You're just
that is-
missing that part. The other parts are gorgeous and beautiful. I
Nilaya,
think
that
Master must
creepy
be
is
loving.
3 times, right?
Acha, okay.
Nilaya,
Yeah,
that
but you have to
creepy,
put the
creepy is to be
crepi,
sung
crepi,
3
because
times.
that is very important. Okay, can you do it again 1 more time? I love it.
Misli Prabhu, Misli. Misli Prabhu, Misli. Shvechetini Misli Sa Jivotati Kripi. Kripi, Kripi. Okay?
Very good.
Very nice.
And then you
Rajesh.
finish with this Vishtani Measly. You have to finish with that part. You're
Right.
just missing one more line, and then you get gorgeous Raga, Bulgarian Raga.
Yeah, the raga is automatically comes with something. The tuning.
Yeah, very nice, Rajesh.
Okay,
Yeah. So,
thank you.
Someone tries.
I think one more time. One more. What do we do, Professor?
Bravo, Misli. Misli. Bravo, Misli. Rishteni Misli. Shivo. Ati Kripi. Kripi. Rishteni Misli Zashivo. Ati Kripi. Kripi.
And then crepi.
Kripi.
Crepi. Crepi. You have to
Rishteni Misli Zashivo. Ati Kripi.
Very good.
Kripi. Srishteni Misli Zashivo. Tati Kripi. Kripi.
Kripi.
Your classical touch is coming.
Krishne Liza Shivo Ati Kripi. Yes.
Very good.
Sleep. Thank you very much.
Nice.
Thank you.
Good.
Good.
We'll never be even closer to 50% or 70%, but even if we have some passing marks of 40% or 50%, we are good.
But Amit ji, if you keep on singing, Nilaya will forget the original.
I don't know.
A new version.
I don't want to do that injustice.
Evolution. That's the evolution.
I don't want to do that injustice to the song.
So that way also looks something. Sometimes it may also looks nice.
Yeah, fusion is very nice.
Yeah, fusion is.
Nice, Leah.
Now, Isabel.
Yes.
Isabel.
Is the song is Decret Color Hope is in español and Decret Hope life, good life in basic. También. Saber que se puede, querer que se puede, quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, color esperanza y entrar al futuro con el corazón.
Isabel,
Camino.
one thing I must tell you, I really liked the way you
First
pronounce,
line.
I really liked the way you pronounce color and futura.
Saber que se puede.
Saber que se puede, saber
Que se
que se puede, saber que se puede,
que se
saber
saber
que
que
se
se
puede,
Great.
querer second line, querer que se puede,
querer
querer
Que se
que se
puede.
puede. Repeat.
Saber que se
Second line. Yes.
saber
Saber que se puede, querer que se pueda.
querer que se pueda.
Yeah, good.
Saber que se
Good.
puede.
Camine. First and second. Yes. Saber que se pueda, querer que se pueda.
saber que se puede querer que se pueda.
Third line.
It's coming completely different.
Quitarse los miedos, quitarse los miedos, quitarse los miedos, quitarse los miedos, quitarse los miedos,
Quitárselos.
eso, los miedos, sacarlos afuera, sacarlos afuera, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, pintarse la cara,
pintarse la cara,
color esperanza, color esperanza,
pensar
y entrar al futuro con el corazón.
I think let's try to learn first 4 lines.
saber que se podrá poner.
Repeat. Saber que se puede, querer que se puede, quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, color esperanza y entrar al futuro con el corazón. Yes.
Is it correct to say quitarse los miedos?
Quitarse los miedos. Quitarse los miedos. Miedos. Quitarse los miedos. Sacarlos afuera. Sacarlos afuera. Pintarse la cara. Color esperanza. Color esperanza. Y entrar al futuro. Y entrar al futuro.
Entrar al futuro.
Ahí. Entrar al futuro con el corazón. Con el corazón. Repeat the first line.
Saber que se
puede.
se
puede. Querer que se pueda.
saber que se
Pueda quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, color esperanza y entrar al futuro. Y entrar al futuro con el corazón.
entrar al futuro.
Saber que se puede. Querer que se pueda. Quitarse los miedos. Sacarlos afuera. Pintarse la cara. Color esperanza. Y entrar al futuro con el corazón.
They both are very strong.
Beautiful. Muchas
Saber que se puede.
Saber
Querer que se pueda.
That is very difficult to say that.
Quitarse los miedos. Sacarlos afuera. Pintarse la cara. esperanza, color
esperanza.
y entrar al futuro,
Entrar
futuro con el corazón.
con el corazón.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Very good.
Amazing, amazing.
Gracias.
Right.
Saber que se puede.
Saber
Que se puede.
Querer que se pueda.
querer
Que se pueda.
Quitarse los miedos.
quitar
Miedo.
Sacarlos afuera. Pintarse la cara. Color esperanza.
Esperanza.
Y entrar al futuro
Entrar
con el corazón.
con el corazón.
Yes, very good, very, very good. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That was very nice.
Thank you. I love you all.
Love you
I
too.
love you all.
All the words look like Hindi words only.
Yes. Yes.
Small change, we can make it Hindi. We are missing Geeta today. She was supposed to be with Hindi song or Oriya.
Uriya song.
Yeah, but Oriya and Sanskrit both are same, almost same songs. No difference.
Yes.
Hindi,
Yes.
Oriya, Sanskrit all mixed was that song.
Right, right.
Good enough or we want something more?
Right. So, is there anything, Mr. Haridas or Suresh ji and anybody else?
You want a Hindi patriotic song?
Anything will be fine. Whoever. wants.
Yeah, it's posted. Just see. एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे, एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे. Be united, ekata, united, but be free yourself. You, with the freedom you should get united. You should have your own freedom, but you can be united. And you can be equal. You can be equal. Samanata rahe. Ekata swatantrata samanata rahe.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
Vishwa mein, in the whole world, Charitra ki, the history is made with Amanata, Samanata, Mahanata. Greatness, unity, all that together.
Okay.
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे, समानता रहे, अमानता रहे, महानता रहे.
विश्व में चरित्र की
अमानता रहे, समानता रहे, महानता रहे. It's great to have that unity and that making history like this. एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे, समानता रहे, महानता रहे.
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे, समानता रहे, महानता रहे, एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे,
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे, समानता रहे, अमानता रहे. Next line is Chetana. Chetana is my full power, ability. Samagrata. All that coordination together. That has to be together so that I can make a progress in the world. That is what it means. Chetana samagrata samanata rahe.
चेतना समग्रता समानता रहे,
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
Now the next line is actual unity, because all of us have got different throats, different sound, but we are all singing the same song.
Yeah.
Kand hai anek. Anek means plenty of throats are there, plenty of sounds are there, but song is one and the same. Kand hai karod geet ek rashtra ka.
कंड है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का,
कंड है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का. गीत means song. कंड है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का. There are lot of things you can add like this. Rang means colors. You have different colors, but picture is one the same. Chitra means picture. Rang means color. So
रंग है अनेक चित्र का.
you can add many more adjectives like this. रूप है अनेक, भाव एक राष्ट्र का.
रूप है अनेक भाव एक राष्ट्र का, अनेक भाव एक राष्ट्र का.
एक in between you keep on एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे, विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे, समानता रहे, समानता रहे.
रूप है अनेक, भाव एक राष्ट्र का. शब्द है अनेक, अर्थ एक राष्ट्र का. एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे,
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे, समानता रहे.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे, एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे, विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे, समानता रहे, एकता समग्रता समानता रहे. अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का.
Very nice.
Very nice.
There are many more. There are different paragraphs, but the whole essay is one. There are different caste, but the essence is same. There are different villages, but the unity is one nation. गाँव है अनेक अंग एक राष्ट्र का,
गाँव है अनेक रंग एक
अंग 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 अंग
अंग अंग
जाति है अनेक सख्त एक राष्ट्र का,
आवाज भी बंद।
जाति है अनेक शक्ति एक राष्ट्र का।
पंक्ति पंक्ति मीन्स पैराग्राफ, पंक्ति है अनेक लेख एक राष्ट्र का,
भक्ति है अनेक लेख एक राष्ट्र का।
गाँव है अनेक अंग एक राष्ट्र का,
गाँव है अनेक अंग एक राष्ट्र का।
most beautiful is the last one. Kiran means sunrise, sunrise. Sunrise are many, but sun is only one. किरण है अनेक सूर्य एक राष्ट्र का.
किरण है अनेक सूर्य।
Kiran means sunrise, Surya means sun. Different sunrises are there, but sun is one and the same. किरण है अनेक सूर्य एक राष्ट्र का.
किरण है अनेक सूर्य एक राष्ट्र का।
Rashtra means nation. Nation is a feeling. So you feel the whole universe is your Rashtra. That means the whole universe is my world, my Rashtra. Rashtra, Rashtra. Yeah. It's a beautiful song for unity.
Very good.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे,
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे।
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे. समानता रहे, महानता रहे. खंड है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का,
खंड है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का।
रंग है अनेक चित्र एक राष्ट्र का.
रंग है अनेक चित्र एक राष्ट्र का।
रूप है अनेक भाव एक राष्ट्र का.
रूप है अनेक भाव एक राष्ट्र का।
शब्द है अनेक अर्थ एक राष्ट्र का.
शब्द है अनेक अर्थ एक राष्ट्र का।
चेतना समग्रता समानता रहे,
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे।
चेतना समग्रता समानता रहे.
चेतना समानता रहे।
विश्व में चरित्र की महानता रहे.
विश्व में चरित्र की समानता रहे।
अमानता रहे, समानता रहे.
समानता रहे, महानता रहे। एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे। विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे। समानता रहे, महानता रहे। चेतना समग्रता समानता रहे। खंड है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का।
You can add anything. राग है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का. You sing whatever you want.
कंठ है अनेक गीत एक राष्ट्र का।
So everything add on to the world, right?
Yes.
रंग है अनेक चित्र एक राष्ट्र का रूप है अनेक भाव एक राष्ट्र का शब्द है अनेक अर्थ एक राष्ट्र का
पैरा है अनेक ऐसे एक राष्ट्र का. You can change it into English.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful. Thank you, sir. Nice. एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे विश्व में
चरित्र की महानता रहे, समानता रहे, अमानता रहे, महानता रहे.
Excellent. Very nice. Fantastic.
Good enough?
Shasheta has,
Huh?
yeah. Shasheta has a good voice, huh? Very good voice.
Yeah, but no Geet.
No, not bad. I will. What I mean?
No,
It's good. I think. No, some.
first ever on stage, I sang only with Amit in Columbus.
Singing well, yeah. Very nice. Good to hear that.
Yeah. I think, good old memories, sir.
Good that you are back.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे
See, Amit ji, the beauty of this song is when I go to Northeast or camp, I will make this song. So while serving food, while eating, while bed, every time children will keep on singing this. See, the tone is like that, you will never forget this. So it makes big impact. See,
Let's all sing it together.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता
विश्व में चरती अमानता रहे समानता रहे
महानता रहे, एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे, विश्व में चरित्र रंग है चरित्र की समानता रहे.
राजेश जी, after we sing this, इतना समग्रता समानता रहे
चेतना समग्रता समानता रहे,
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे समानता रहे महानता
एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे, विश्व में चरित्र की समानता रहे, समानता रहे, महानता रहे. La 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 la
विश्व में चरित्र की अमानता रहे समानता रहे महानता रहे.
Rehe, 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 rehe means let it be there, let it be there, let it be there. That's the meaning. Let there be peace, let there be God, let there be blessings, let there be happiness. All that let there. That's it. Rehe, 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 rehe.
Very nice.
Yeah, beautiful. I mean, yeah, we can go on for the entire day. with
Go,
this song.
yeah. You can add anything you want.
Good idea.
Very nice.
So, good enough.
Okay.
9 o'clock. See you. See you tomorrow.
Next Saturday.
Next
Next
Saturday.
Saturday.
Tomorrow, Bhagavad Gita.
Take care.
Tomorrow is hectic day. It's a United Nations day. So, a lot of programs.
Very good. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow 7:30. Bhagavad Gita. Thank you. God bless.
Take care, all of you.
Bye. Bye-bye. Vilaya. Bye-bye. Guru. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye all.